Risk is the down payment of success. The concept of risk as the down payment of success is a profound insight that captures the essence of achieving significant accomplishments. In the journey towards success, risk serves as the necessary investment that one must be willing to make. This notion is particularly relevant in various domains such as business, personal development, and scientific advancements. Understanding risk. Risk involves the possibility of encountering unfavorable outcomes. It is an inherent aspect of making decisions and taking actions that are not guaranteed to yield positive results. In the context of success, risk can manifest in different forms such as financial investment, career choices, or even personal relationships. Despite the potential for loss, risk-taking is essential for growth and progress. The relationship between risk and success. Success is often the result of venturing into the unknown and embracing uncertainty. The willingness to take calculated risks can lead to breakthroughs and innovations. For instance, entrepreneurs who invest their resources into a new business venture risk financial loss but also stand to gain significant rewards if the business succeeds. Similarly, scientists who explore uncharted territories in research may face numerous failures before achieving a groundbreaking discovery. Risk management. While risk is necessary for success, it is crucial to manage it effectively. Risk management involves identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and implementing strategies to mitigate them. This process helps in making informed decisions and minimizing potential losses. For example, diversifying investments can reduce financial risk, and thorough market research can enhance the success rate of a new product launch. Personal development and risk. On a personal level, taking risks can lead to significant growth and self-improvement. Stepping out of one's comfort zone, whether by pursuing higher education, changing careers, or traveling to new places, involves risk but also opens up opportunities for new experiences and knowledge. Overcoming the fear of failure and embracing risk can lead to increased confidence and resilience. Conclusion. In conclusion, risk is an integral part of the journey towards success. It acts as the down payment that one must make to achieve significant accomplishments. While the potential for failure exists, the rewards of taking calculated risks far outweigh the consequences of remaining stagnant. By understanding and managing risk effectively, individuals and organizations can unlock their full potential and achieve their goals.